The Illusion Foundation has issued a break of containment for the following counties: Musutafu, JPY and Honshu, JPY. Effective until May 16, 2032, 9:50 and 0 seconds PM UTC+9. The Illusion Foundation aims to ensure the well-being of the population by capturing and neutralizing anomalies. On today's date, May 8, 2032 at 16 hours an incident occurred in one of the Foundation's cities, which ended up creating a failure in the containment of one of the anomalies, SCP-096, which ended up creating chaos, and this creature is loose somewhere. We still haven't been able to find it. There is no need to create panic. As a precaution, try to stay at home, don't look at windows, and if you go out, leave on foot and always look down, don't look at the creature at all.